What's up, Dark Messy? I'm trying to, I'm streaming on YouTube too right now. It looks like we got some sell action already. Alright, my YouTube is live. I gotta see if Facebook is live too. And look at this trend line on US 30 though. Well, that kangaroo didn't last long. Yep, Bitcoin has been dropping all morning. I don't know what instrument that is. I downloaded a bunch of royalty-free music. Oh, you said instrument. I thought you said instrumental. Yep, US 30. Damn, what is US 30 doing? Bitcoin might actually be a sell. If Bitcoin drops here, that's 20,000 pips right here. 20,000. Damn, US 30. Straight up. This is Bitcoin right here. Find out what's going on the stocks. Disney going straight up. Boeing going down. It was flying. Well, Pfizer gapped up pretty good. Pfizer has a lot of volume right now. I might be looking for a sell on Bitcoin actually right here. Let's see. Still moving out that Bitcoin's moving out that kangaroo too. All right, I'm gonna put in a sell on Bitcoin. Well, I'll put a stop right above here. See if we get a push down. TP will be down here for 20,000 pips. If it retests down here, that's a $200 trade. I mean, why not? It's the third trend line touch too, and it's still moving down off a kangaroo. See if we can get over the 600 pip spread though. See if we get that push back down here. This is actually 1,000 pips on Bitcoin. So up instant 1,200 pips just like that. But can we get to that zone down there? Or 20,000 pips. What's up, Shane Forex? That can lower some risk. Up 3,000 pips, yo. Some people might try to tell me, oh, this is only 280 pips. No, no, no. It moves just like US 30. Same pip values. Alright, I'm break even on this Bitcoin trade. We're going for $200 down here. We are up 30 bucks right now. We're only in on 10 contracts. Good morning, Pip Shark. And let's see how many pips that would have been on Bitcoin Kangaroo. I've been looking at a lot of Bitcoin on the 1 minute, and this is a 40,000 pip move here in just 90 minutes. See if Bitcoin can get us break even for the morning or in profit, since we lost 30 on that first US 30 trade. Yeah, short on the Bitcoin. Already break even. Well, is US 30 just gonna keep trending all morning? No, it looks like Bitcoin does not want to go back down to 31,000. Trying to see how many viewers we got between YouTube and Twitch right now. We got 18 people on YouTube, 54 on Twitch. No, I don't trade gold. Gold moves too slow for me. I mean, here's gold right here, though. The gold did drop pretty hard, though. This is on the hourly. Bitcoin's gonna go hit break even for sure. What's up? What's up, Craft Costanza? Yeah, Bitcoin break even. Oh well, it was worth a shot. That's crazy. So Bitcoin touches 30,800, shoots right back up to 33,000. What's up, Myro? I'm on YouTube now too, doing the dual stream. My Facebook's not working. I might have to restart the stream to get Facebook going. Yep, craft people are freaking out right now. I gotta pull up TradingView and see how far the drop's been. Nexus, you said you're shorting GBP AUD? Bostras, yeah. What is your trade right now? All right, so Bitcoin has dropped 27%. We gotta go back to 2017 to see how many times it dropped. Here in January 2000, or what is that? Yeah, June of 2017, Bitcoin dropped 41%. Rebounds. Here we go. Bitcoin drops another 41% in August 2017. This drops about 30% in October. So the big drops will be coming. And every time it drops, they're going to scream Bitcoin bubble. A respectable 27% drop. All the newcomers in Bitcoin right now are worried, but they don't understand. These drops are normal. I have to do royalty-free music when I'm streaming on YouTube. If I play my regular radio, YouTube will turn it off, basically. Or you'll get warnings. Let me clean this up. I got a little too many zones popping off here on the Coinbase markup. Here's Bitcoin daily. Would we drop under 25,000? I do not think so. Typical move, right? Typical parabolic. Nice Buster as you're going to Cali. Well, US30 is just choppy. I would like to get in another trade. And look at that, clean break on Bitcoin now. It's not a kangaroo, but maybe I would enter a buy now since we're going to go up. Yeah, why not throw some cash at this? Is Bitcoin done dropping? What's this choppiness on US30? Last Monday it was just straight trending. Well, there we go. Disney popping up right now. But Apple's just not doing much right now. I don't think Disney's push up is going to do much to US30 right now. See? George, let me go to a higher time frame on US30. See what's going on the bigger picture. Well, the first thing I notice, this. I guess we're still in the downtrend for US30. Yeah, let's see if I mean, maybe Apple comes up here to retest. Fill this gap. Alright, Bitcoin, you get to bust off this double top right here. It broke the trend. Now it must break this pretty good resistance zone. If it breaks here, I think I might be able to get like $100 out of it. Like up here to this retest. That's what I expected. Bitcoin breaks this resistance up there, but it's been pretty crazy. The media is going to be spinning a lot of stories tonight. Shit, I haven't even checked NASDAQ yet. Well, obviously NASDAQ's in a downtrend. Let's get these zones marked up. Well, very, very clear zones on NASDAQ. No, this needs to be here where all these other touches are right here. I'm down 11 on Bitcoin right now. See how it does.
I don't feel your energy, but still I love my enemies. I see why you befriending me.
Alright, we got 90 viewers right now. 30 of you on YouTube, 60 on Twitch. Thanks for everybody coming here and tuning in. See if we can get some moves on US 30 though.
I don't feel your energy. You ain't with my synergy. Flag on your plate. That's a penalty, yeah.
Tesla, where's Tesla gonna drop?
You see he the throne, I'm the centerpiece. Feel that, you feeling me? Dig that, you gripping me. Come on, see that, you went to sleep. Yeah, real facts, enemies. Got to your back, boomerang that. Karma coming back, spirit check rap. She broke the camel's back, God told me that. Now run tell that. You addicted to the drama piece. Yeah. Thank you for one thing, my Marvel piece. Yeah. I don't feel your energy, but still I love my enemies. I see why you befriending me. Hidden agenda with the jealousy.
Let's see, stocks pull back from records as Democrats push to remove Trump. This is the major stock news of the morning. Twitter shares tumbled after company suspended President Trump's account. Gotta pull up some Twitter right now. Apparently Twitter dropped a lot right now. Twitter. Let's pull up Twitter. Damn, Twitter dropped 12%. 12 fucking percent for Twitter. There were some bigger drops back here. When was that? October? Dropped even more then. So Twitter stock, very volatile. Whatever Trump news comes out. All right, Bitcoin hit me. I lost 20 bucks on that.
My steps, I done had enough. We all gotta go through. That's what makes tough. I don't feel your energy.
Yeah, Bitcoin bounced 4,300 pips off that.
I see why you befriending me.
If you trade Bitcoin, the moves are going to be 10 times faster than US30. US30 is 10 times faster than Forex. So, fasten your seatbelts if you trade Bitcoin. You're going to get thousands of pips within seconds. You saw when I entered that first one, up after like 15-20 seconds, we were up 4,000 pips basically. Tesla with the Kangaroo though. Is that pushing up NASDAQ right now? It is. It is. It pushed NASDAQ up instantly. What time? This candle printed at 6:52. Here's the 6:52 candle. So this little push up is caused by Tesla's Kangaroo Tail right now. Would have been a nice trade if I caught that. Might have bought NASDAQ, because NASDAQ shot up on this candle about 400 pips already. 400 pips in about 3 minutes. Yeah, NASDAQ's gonna go up even more if Tesla retest right here. Alright, Disney going to the moon. Bitcoin last night was pretty fun. I made 130 bucks on Bitcoin last night. Let me go to my entry. These lines here, this is when I was shorting. I closed that first one for about 4,900 pips. As you can see, I would have made a shit ton had I held. This one up here was my biggest pip trade ever, pip-wise. This shit dropped 7,200 pips in 25 minutes. And yes, that is actually 7,000 pips. And I dropped another 34,000 pips. let's review this a really small Bitcoin Kangaroo. It was about a 500 pips stop loss. With the spread, you're probably looking at 1200 pips stop loss. Maybe 1500 pips just to be fair, you know, just to give it more room. So technically, you could have risked $15 on this Bitcoin trade. If you're putting in 10 contracts, 1500 pips is only worth $15. But, I mean, if you entered that and held for like an hour and a half, you would have made 400 bucks on that. Hell, somebody could have risked a dollar if they only want to go on one contract, which would make one pip 0.001 cent. You'd be risking $1.50 and making like 40 bucks. So, y'all better be paying attention to Bitcoin. Even on one micro lot, you could be getting some good risk rewards. I mean, $1.50 into 40. Yeah, market's really not doing anything right now. We don't have any distinct patterns we can mark up on US 30 right now. Damn that Nova, I can send myself 100. See if I can make 100 this morning. I mean, the only thing we can really mark up right now is Bitcoin. Since there's gold traders in here, let's see if we can find anything on gold that we can notice. Maybe possible trend line developing. Now look at gold 5 minute. You have a third trend line touch right here. Yeah, hold on. My camera will be off for a second. I don't know. So anybody looking for gold trades, I mean, you might want to look for a possible sell. Or if it breaks this shit, a buy. But that's the only thing I see on gold. Possible third trend line touch, drop. I don't trade gold, so I'm not going to enter anything. Yeah, kid, go up. It's Monday, and there's a shit ton of news everywhere. Yeah, well, look how choppy US30's been overnight. We've only had this one little tiny spikes. Well, what's this? A kangaroo tail on US 35 minute on Friday? A candle before the close? Damn. This dropped 3,800 pips. Off about a 200 pip stop loss. So this one, I mean, I don't know about the swap on here. I don't know what the weekend swap would be, but that's almost a 4,000 pip move in about 3 hours of market time. My camera will be on back in a second. Nasdaq's going to keep going up as long as Tesla's going up to fill this gap, basically. No, not gap, just a retest. Just a little tiny retest. You said the law of gravity. What goes up must come down, right? It's looking like Bitcoin is trying to start a new trend, though. Damn it. Wrong button there. Right here is a contract size chart I built up. Basically, this is the one contract size breakdown for indices and Bitcoin on Ingot. Basically, just give the pip values, how much 1,000 pips would be. Like if you trade US30 or Bitcoin on just one microlot, pip value is going to be 0.001 cent. So 1,000 pips would only be worth $1. And I give the breakdown of how much you can make. I mean, obviously 10,000, 20, 30,000 pip value. This is more for Bitcoin. But I'll have this available for download. Goes through everything, how much you'll make. So pretty helpful for like a built-in risk. And this is the lot size you saw me doing on Bitcoin earlier. I just did 10 contracts, which would be one a mini lot, which gives one pip value 1 cent. If you want the full 10 cent value, you'd have to trade a standard lot. But hey, for instance, like Bitcoin, I mean, you see 1,000 pips. Even if you did, like any account size could trade Bitcoin. Any account size can trade US30. A $10 account can trade US30. Because you only need $3 in margin to trade US30 on one market lot, which is perfect for even people, like I said, who are brand new, smaller account. You can practice on anything. Wow, Bitcoin is just so crazy right now. It's not following any trend lines. It's breaking shit. It's not making sense. Interesting, we have a Kangaroo on Tesla now. And Nasdaq's gonna be dropping. Let's see, we got more news. House Democrats would impeach Trump for incitement of insurrection. How the fuck you want to impeach a guy who's not going to be president in 9 days? And they still crying. They're still fucking crying. Like, come on, inauguration is next fucking Wednesday. And they're like, oh, we want to impeach Trump. Like, what kind of shit are they smoking, yo? What are they fucking smoking, seriously? Like, it's just a waste of time. Like, okay, we got headlines like this. Historic percentage of Americans want Trump removed from office. These motherfuckers got what they wanted, okay? Biden's gonna be the president, so why are they crying still? Shit.
There's now talk of invoking the 25th Amendment.
Now, you know what they want to do? They want to cause a civil war. They want to cause it. The media is invoking violence. You remove Trump from office before inauguration? What do you think is going to happen at inauguration? There's going to be more Trump supporters there than police and army can handle. But if they want to cause anarchy, that's the best way to do it. Remove Trump from office, piss off all the Trump protesters, and we're going to see some crazy shit. Or they could just wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All they got to do is wait 9 days, and the problem's solved. Earl, I don't want to hear the bitching, okay? It's my stream. I'm going to say what the fuck I want, so if you got a problem, you can just leave. Sell US30 now? I don't know. This is too choppy for me to sell. You gotta understand too, okay? Like I'm gonna read political headlines because all of this shit affects the markets. Okay, we saw how Twitter dropped 13%. Twitter dropped 13% because Twitter banned Trump. I got you, Earl. I got you, Earl. It's all good. It's all good. Trust me, I'm tired of the political talk too, but this is just nonsense what's going on the headlines. I'll tell you one thing, Biden's gonna print more money. US 30's gonna keep rising. Bitcoin's gonna keep rising. And I think Biden's gonna help fuel Bitcoin's rise because people are not gonna have trust with the dollar as more dollars get printed with them. Yep. Social media platform Parler. Yeah, see, something's going on. They're silencing Trump, and they're silencing people trying to share the truth on other social media platforms. Yeah, that's exactly what they're doing. They're silencing speech. Isn't that one of the first things Hitler started doing? Silencing speech. Couldn't say certain things. Now, obviously, we're not going to be thrown in camps and killed, but there's other ways they can do things. Silence the speech. Silence the truth. Look at Joe Biden. Joe Biden says 600 is simply not enough. We need $2,000 stimulus checks. Isn't that what the fuck Trump wanted? And now this motherfucker is gonna try to take credit for it? Israel said they're gonna make everybody. Let me see. I saw some Israel vaccine news over the weekend. What's up, Rick Hernandez? Yeah, this is, I think I'll start doing the YouTube, Twitch dual stream more. I was trying to run it on Facebook too, but Facebook was not working right now. Wonder if I'll get banned on Facebook, though. When I start talking about the news. They're banning a lot of people on Facebook right now. Well, US 30 still choppy, but I got a feeling it's gonna keep going up. I'm vibing that it's gonna go up. Maybe possible trend line developing, you know? Maybe. We need more touches, obviously. So I guess we could say Bitcoin's even been choppy for the last 2 hours. Damn, yeah, look at this chop. Look at this chop. Just all within this range? You know when's gonna be a good night to trade? Trading US 30 on inauguration night. There's gonna be some crazy shit on the markets during our inauguration. I think the best way to grow a trading account this year is going to be catching some big Bitcoin swings, like holding for a couple hours, like I say, like this one. I mean, you can make $400 in like an hour and a half. There's some big swings. You know, when you're trading Bitcoin, you want to set break even as fast as you can. That's what I've been doing, just trailing the stop loss down right away. Nice, we just reached 100 viewers. We got 30 on YouTube and 70 on Twitch right now. Right there, there's the view counts. Oh, we got 33, so we got 103. Definitely boosted the total stream viewers. But again, majority of people like Twitch. Let me see. I was testing out Nightbot right there. Like I said, possible trendline developing. See if it gets the actual breakout though. You know, I was expecting Boeing to, wait, yeah, it did do what it did. There was a Boeing crash over the weekend. I don't know if this gap down had anything to do with that, but I'm pretty sure Boeing always goes down a little bit when there's a new Boeing airplane crash. No, Adam, I'm down about 50 right now. I'm down $50 this morning. There's really been no entries. I mean, I took a shot at this kangaroo right at the open. But I got stopped right away. The Boeing 737 had taken off from Jakarta. Officials say they found body parts and possible part of the wreckage. I'm not in any trades right now. But if anybody did want to get in a trade, you might want to consider a buy right now. Could break out. Finally get a move, but it's on a resistance zone and a trend line, so anything could happen. But this next zone, I mean, if it goes up here, it's 1,000 pips. And there we go. Tesla has completed the retest off a Kangaroo Tail. Perfect example. How many pips was that? Yeah, Nasdaq's moving off that. Why do I plan trades, and when I do plan them, they start going where I originally analyze? I was like, oh, that could be easy 1,000 pips. Well, it's already jumped up 300 pips since I said that. This move probably would have put me in profit for the morning, because I think we're going to 31,000, 3183. That's actually a Kangaroo Tail right here, but did not show up because there's no room to the left. But definitely a very small Kangaroo Tail right there. Would have been about like a 250 pip stop loss. Let's see, S&P 500 has a sell. No, it doesn't. It already changed. Special sauce. We must invest our stimuluses in 2021 and then become rich. Did you get any Bitcoin special? Bitcoin might be on discount. Yep, Nexus, you'll use the stimulus to help fund a Forex account. Wait, did NASDAQ, did it break 13,000 overnight here? Or when was it? Oh yeah, Friday. Yeah, Friday, right? Yep. Let me see the day breaks. Wait, that's grid. I don't want grid. We have a bearish Kangaroo Tail on NASDAQ, but I think we're still going to go up. So I would not sell NASDAQ. Watch me say that I'm not going to sell it, and it just spikes down. I scalped like 130 bucks last night shorting Bitcoin. But damn, when does the trend get a break? I might sell Bitcoin if it hits this trend line again. Go back, try to go back down there, try it again. It's probably easier to trade Bitcoin on MetaTrader. Well, shit. Look at that drop. Well, very clear resistance right there, and it tried to retest it again, and then boom. Taking off down back here to retest. Hey, don't they say the most volatility, with the most volatility you can make the most money? Yeah, definitely could have easily had a $100 morning already. Made a couple of adjustments on some trades. Entered this when I originally drew that trend line. All it takes is a couple minor adjustments and you have a $100 morning. Or you'll be down $50, like I am. Boeing gonna try to fill this retest or gap up right here? Done. Right now, 600 pips. 600 pips spread on Bitcoin. So the smallest we can trade on Bitcoin is, you know, just one contract. So 600 pips would be 60 cents on the micro lot. But you could basically risk $4 or $5. And if you risk like $4 or $5, I mean a 30,000 pip move on Bitcoin, then you're looking at $120, $150. Oh yeah, yeah. Many brokers will vary between 200 to 600 pips. But like in 90 minutes, Bitcoin dropped 40,000 pips. Okay, this is a 40,000 pip drop from this Kangaroo Tail to this zone down here. So when we compare like 600 pips to that kind of a move, it's not too much, but it sounds high initially. But I mean, based on how volatile these moves are, it's not that high. No, Jiffo, I've not. I haven't tried any of the hotkeys actually. There's that link if anybody wants to sign up for Ingot. I might try to take a position on US 30 and go for like 60 bucks. Nothing major on the zone. See if it respects this trend line though one more time. Might throw like 10 bucks. Might risk 10 for 30, let's see. See what this wick does. Or this candle, I mean. Alright, I will throw $11 at it. 12. So I'll go for about like a 1 to 5.5 risk reward. So this trade will put me up $10 for the day if it hits and this trend line respects. I think Boeing will come here and eventually retest. Well, god damn it. That's probably my last trade of the morning. I'm down 62 for the morning. It's too choppy to trade. Really no clear patterns right now. Oh wait, I am up. I'm up $7 for the day because of the Bitcoin trades last night. $7 though. We gotta go for 100 at least tomorrow. Let's set it in stone. $100 to $200 tomorrow at least. Minimum. We gotta set the goals already. Ingot is in two places. They have office in St. Vincent and an office in Australia. Yeah, Gilbert. The third trendline touch does not touch. Instead, it just falls right through. If Bitcoin reaches here, I think I'm gonna put $1,000 into Bitcoin, withdraw some cash from America's Card Room. I haven't organized any of my taxes yet, Don O'Hall. Haven't taken any profits on Bitcoin yet. Pip Shark, you got in the sell after it broke that trend? Nice. Yeah, we dropped 500 pips in 5 minutes. Yep, very nice. Nice trade there. Yeah, Saldine, you get taxed on what you withdraw for profits. But taxes are pretty straightforward for trading. I mean, just get taxed on your profits, what you withdraw to your bank account. Standard tax was at 35%, 35%, somewhere around there. California taxes suck though. I need to get out of California. I'm not sure, Saldine. I haven't withdrawn for like a full-time income, so I'm not the best person to talk to about taxes for trading yet. Probably after this year, though. I'm gonna hold Bitcoin to the end of the year, see what happens. Withdraw, and then from there, figure out my taxes. I see Bitcoin hit by 2.7 billion in futures liquidation. So Coinbase had large sell orders as whales and high net worth investors sold. It caused other long contracts to be liquidated in a matter of hours. Addresses with more than 1K Bitcoin continue to grow. So I expect a Bitcoin recovery to happen pretty quickly. Niksu Radu, I usually keep my risk between 0.25% to 0.5%. So whatever the contracts are on different things like Bitcoin, I'll just figure it out. Like, that's why I made a chart like this. So I figure out like how much I want each pip to be worth, how big of a position I'll go for. But I mean, like I said, I like to keep my risk between 0.25% to 0.5%. So technically, I could be risking $50 per trade on a $10,000 account. Instead, I'm only still risking between 25 $30. I don't think I'm ready to start risking $50 per trade. I don't want to do that yet. I gotta get used to losing 30 regularly, and then I gotta get used to losing 40 regularly. You have to level up psychologically. It's hard. Just because you got a bigger account doesn't mean your brain is ready to start trading bigger. So I need to draw some zones up for Bitcoin. Find out what could be going on. There's a zone here. A lot of support right here. And that's exactly where it touched 30,000. Alright, so these are the zones on Bitcoin right now. This between like 30,400 and 30,000. And then this area here. CNN says Bitcoin plunges more than 20% in 3 days. It's now in a bear market. How the fuck are you gonna say it's in a bear market now? It's still bullish. I think it's going to recover a lot faster than people expect. I think they're going to be rebuying back in soon. Yeah, imagine how many people are going to be trying to put in massive short sales after it just dropped, what, 25%? My analysis over the weekend was we would, once we go up, we usually drop between 80 to 84% on Bitcoin. And an 84% drop from 42,000 will put us below 7,200. And that's just not going to happen. If it goes to 7,200, I'm buying a shit ton more Bitcoin. But I don't think there's any way in hell it's ready for the 84% drop. Hell, it's only January. We got a full year ahead of us. And then that's when I expect to maybe getting ready to sell and getting ready for the 2 to 3 year bear market after that. Well, there's a lot of rookies selling for a loss right now. And we still got 73 viewers right now. 24 of you are watching on YouTube. 49 are on Twitch right now. And I'll try to get Facebook running tomorrow. Well, damn, Bitcoin is gonna go for that retest now. Retest at 30,882. Definitely gotta do a $1,000 withdrawal in Bitcoin right now. Or some more after I get off the stream. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna hop off in a couple minutes, so I gotta get breakfast going ready. I got a doctor appointment in an hour, so I gotta get ready. See if Bitcoin hits this right before I get off. Probably is. But I got stopped right there. That's when I got stopped. And it dropped 25,000 pips. Action donk. I'm gonna say Bitcoin's gonna bounce off here. That's what I'm gonna say. Yeah, for sure to Toy Mullah. And thank you all for tuning in on YouTube. We'll be back on YouTube tomorrow too. But on the Twitch side, I'm gonna find someone to raid on Twitch. I know who will raid. Bakemon, I'll be doing a post on that on Telegram. It's not letting me do the chat there. Yep, y'all come in tomorrow. Thank you everybody for tuning in. I'm gonna raid Boogie Trades. He's trading US 30. It's not letting me raid. What the hell? Apparently I can't raid somebody when I'm on Restream. How's that music, yo? Alright, y'all. I shall see you tomorrow morning.